Testing, 1, 2, 3. Up front, to the side, he's up there, we're around here. Okay, so here we go. Good? We're good.
Welcome, dealer partners, to our video update regarding our latest promotion and demolition featuring our BlendTech blender. My name is Paul.
And I'm Scott.
And the BlendTech was our first sales gold prize, as well as other great prizes, which included an Nikon camera and an Apple MacBook Air. We know a lot of you had a lot of great fun selling the innovative Vantage LED product, trying to earn these great prizes.
But what we're here for today is to blend some of the modules from other manufacturers provided to us by some of our dealers who are now powered by Vantage. Paul, I understand you have some of those modules.
I do.
All right, let's check them out.
Here's the first.
Ooh, that's heavy. Hurt your back there? That's a big fish tank. Why in the world do we have a module and a fish tank?
I have no idea why anybody would put a module in a fish tank.
Beats me. Well, let's give it a shot.
That would be a unique thing for you.
Yeah, that'll work. Let's put it in here. Shake the water out. Okay. That's our first module here. We're going to set that back. Okay, now obviously we can't fit that into the blender, so we're going to have to break this up into pieces, fit it into the blender, and Paul's got that with his heavy hammer. Paul, do the honors.
Okay.
We'll be right back as soon as we're done with more BlendTech action. There we go. Welcome back, everybody. We've got it broken up here. Wow, Paul, that's amazingly accurate with that hammer.
Only way I roll, man.
Well, good job. Okay, well, let's see if this thing will blend. I'm going to put it in here. And as always, safety first. These on.
Let's do this thing.
Alright. You guys ready? You ready?
Let's do it.
Alright, you guys ready? You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. That was blended, Paul. What about you?
It's definitely blended.
Wow. Okay, well, let's take a look here. Take off the top. See what we got. Nice. How many pieces did you say are in there, Paul?
I'd say about 73.7 quintillion.
That sounds about right.
Roughly.
Okay, guys, well, we're going to clean this up. We're going to get some more modules here for you to blend, and we'll be right back, so stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. That was awesome.
That was tremendous.
Do you have any more modules for us?
Tremendous. I do have another.
Alright, what do you got?
There you go.
Oh, that's ice, Paul.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not really thirsty.
Well, you're thirsty for another module, right?
Oh, wow, yeah. Okay. That's a cold module right there. Interesting.
Don't ask me why.
Yeah. Well, you want to do the honors again? Break it up.
I do.
Okay.
I do. There you go.
That was amazingly fast and accurate.
Good.
All right. Let's put this in here and see if it blends.
Safety.
Safety first. All right, here we go.
Galaxies in there.
Yeah, like a pro.
Power of Vantage.
Hey, speaking of Vantage, do you have any Vantage modules we can try?
I do.
Let's give it a shot. Nice cake. Did you hear that?
Of course.
Let's see if it blends.
I don't know if you want to do that, Scott.
I'm gonna give it a try.
Okay.
I'll do it this time. Okay, here we go. Vantage module. Wow. Hey, Paul, grab that breaker. Wow, that gives new meaning to the words powered by Vantage, huh?
Never an ordinary experience.
Sure. Well, there you have it, guys. Good old demolition. We appreciate all the support from our dealer partners, and hope you enjoyed the promotion.
And for all the dealer partners that reached their sales goals, congratulations, enjoy your prizes.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I gotta clean all this up now, man.